Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video about Scoopz, and today I'll show you how to download Scoopz videos. So for this we will need a computer or laptop, and the first thing you need to do is on your phone to open the video that you want to download and click on the repost icon in the bottom right corner. That's how this icon looks like. And now send the link to the video to your PC via Messenger, for example. I sent using Telegram. And after that, you have to open the Chrome browser on your computer or laptop and paste the link to the video to the search bar. So paste it here and press enter. Okay, and this is the video that I want to download. Okay, now press F12 on your keyboard. Okay, and after that, click on this icon. Select an element in the page to inspect it. Or you can use the Ctrl plus Shift plus C shortcut. Now point your mouse on the video and left click, and right here you can see the link to the video. Double click and copy this URL. Just press Ctrl plus C shortcut, and after that paste it in the search box. Okay, press enter. And finally, we can install this video. Just click on the three dots at the bottom right, and in this menu select download. Okay, so guys, that's how you can download Scoopz videos. It's a little complicated, but it's real. I really hope this video helped you. If so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comment. Thank you very much. Goodbye.